Hey everyone, and welcome to the Lingo Flamingo channel. Today we're diving into a grammar point that might seem simple at first glance, the present simple tense. But trust me, even intermediate learners can get tripped up by its sneaky little rules.
First, we have the form. The present tense is the base form of the verb. I work in London. But with the third person singular, she/he/it. We add an as des. She works in London.
So, the present simple is used to talk about habits, routines, and general truths. Sounds easy, right? Let's break down some key points.
We use the present simple to talk about things we do regularly. For example, I brush my teeth twice a day. Or, she reads every night before bed. This tense also helps describe our daily or weekly routines. We usually have breakfast at 7 a.m. Or, the bus leaves for work at 8:15 sharp. It is used for facts and things that are always true. Think of it as scientific truths or universal statements. The Earth revolves around the sun, or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, those are the basics. Now, here's where some intermediate learners get confused.
Adverbs of frequency are adverbs of time that answer the question how frequently? Or how often? They tell us how often something happens. Here are some examples. Always. Often. Sometimes. Rarely. Frequency adverbs. These adverbs tell us how often something happens. While usually and always are pretty straightforward. What about sometimes or never? Remember. The present simple is for habits and routines. So these adverbs need to reflect that. We wouldn't say I sometimes brush my teeth twice a day. Instead, we might say I brush my teeth twice a day. But sometimes I forget. Present simple versus present continuous. This is a tricky one. The present continuous describes actions happening now or around now, while the present simple describes ongoing habits or general truths. For example, I am working on a project right now, present continuous. But I work from home most days, present simple. Remember, the present simple might seem basic, but it has some rules to keep in mind. Don't be afraid to practice. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become with it. Challenge time. Leave a comment below with a sentence in the present simple tense that describes your daily routine. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning fun. See you next time.